gender is never a barrier in life. If I want to think I'm a girl ना, so ये हो सकता है, तो वो मेरी thought है. जब मैं सोचती नहीं हूँ, मुझे लगता है मैं डायरेक्टर हूँ. That's it. I don't even think I'm a girl and I'm a director. I'm a director. What a director does, I do. हर डायरेक्टर फिल्म बनाता है उसी तरीके से, चाहे लड़का लड़की फर्क नहीं होता. We shoot the same way.
Welcome to the IMA YouTube channel and fourth edition of the IMA Women Leadership Conclave, celebrating women who are making leadership brighter, bolder, and stronger together. Believe, begin, breakthrough, believe again. With belief as her compass, passion as her fire, she walks the path that turns dreams into chapters. As IMA beautifully defines her, stories are her canvas, cinema's her choice. She paints the screen with emotions and voice. She has been creating magic amongst her audience, a director who believes not just in creating films but creating feels, a content creator, producer, CEO at Smart Street Smart Productions, TEDx speaker, and a co-producer of international cinema, director and creative head, Ilios Productions Private Limited, a lady with successful and decisive leadership strategies, tactical decision-making skills, and forward-thinking approaches. An independent filmmaker whose bold voice has shaped acclaimed short films including Appa, First Second Chance, Wrong Mistake, Seasoned with Love, Aloo Bhujia, The Game 2050, and with The Pack, she directs her most intimate story yet. It's an honor for IMA and myself to welcome Miss Lakshmi R. Iyer. Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Please throw some light on your journey so far.
You see, the journey has been very unplanned. Back in the days when I was in school, college, I was a school topper. So the goal was, I come from Iyer's typical South Indian family where either you become a doctor, engineer, or CA. So you have to choose one. So since I picked up commerce, I was studying for CA. I stopped by school and BCom honors, CA foundation, and an IIT course. This was my journey. So I never planned it, but I was always very good with the cultural activities. Like I would good speeches. I would like to, I had this habit of just picking a paper and making a roll and holding it and saying I'm the best, and I would give a speech of winning an award. For no reason I would do it. And there's something, वो जो आर्ट का एक होता है ना कीड़ा लोगों के अंदर इनबिल्ट होता है, गॉड गिफ्टेड, वो था. And then I remember someone met me in the airport and said, you should consider modeling. And I was like, I'm not really very tall. And he said, no, there are different kinds of modeling. You should do print media and commercials. So I was just curious, let me try this, because the one who told me was a very famous model. So I went and did a portfolio. I had no idea that once you click a portfolio, you have to go and distribute it also. So I just kept it in my house and रख के मैं बैठ गई photo खिंचवा के. And I didn't tell my parents, nobody, because if I tell that I'm doing this, I think my father, mother and my family will think ये पागल हो गई है, ये क्या कर रही है, ये सब decent professions नहीं है ना. South Indian लोग ये सब नहीं करते, ये कोई career choice नहीं होती है. So I remember my father figured out my first ad somewhere in newspaper, and he was not very excited about it. So he said, okay, कर रहे हैं ठीक है, but ये सब main काम तो नहीं है life का. So I should have paid well. I was happy, but I was just figuring out.
Yes.
And then slowly the process of them thinking it's just a temporary hobby. I just enjoyed the process of being behind front of camera. In between, an opportunity came where I was in between free, and they asked me to become an assistant director.
Wow.
I said, करके देखते हैं, सीखेंगे कुछ, and I went on a set and I did really well. So I did so much of work that, people who were around me got intimidated that, this is a new girl who's doing everything. And I try to do the best in whatever I do. So I was very good. And slowly the journey behind camera started. And I think I was still figuring out production direction, and I found my calling. One fine day I was working in IBM Dubai, and I went for a run. I was like, यार films बनानी है life में, तो शुरू करती हूँ. कैसे करूँगी? अब जो भी सैलरी कमाई है, कोई मुझे कुछ पैसे क्यों लगाएगा अगर मैं खुद नहीं लगाऊंगी? So let me start by trusting myself.
Wow.
And that's how it started. And then I've never looked back. I've just got work through work, and it's been 11 years.
And you realize that you love it to the core.
I love it. So I have a tattoo which says Junoon, passion. I have a yaqeen, belief. Create yourselves. All my tattoos speak about the love I have for films. You can see it in my eyes because it just makes me feel alive. I just love making films.
Wow. So what is the first step you've been afraid to take in all these years till you realize this?
यार, the one thing I'll tell you, डर नहीं लगता मुझे. I'm a fearless woman. मुझे कभी भी डर नहीं लगा लाइफ में. क्या हो जाता है लाइफ में, दो ही चीजें होती है ना, या तो होता है या नहीं होता.
Oh, I love this line of yours.
सो या तो होता है या नहीं होता है ना. सो अगर करोगे नहीं तो होगा कैसे? और नहीं होगा तो दोबारा करना है।
Yes.
So this is again continue and still I rise. So there is no third route in life. So unless everybody can be a support system in your life, आप जो सोचोगे आप वो बन जाओगे। अगर आप ही नहीं सोचोगे, you cannot dream for me, right? I haven't dreamed for myself. So that belief has to be very strong, and trust me, belief and positive thoughts make it for you in life. So you can become anything you want in life, anything.
So I believe you believe in manifestations and spiritual.
These words have become very trending words nowadays, but I just believe कि आप जो सोचते हो वही तो होगा ना।
True.
अगर मैं बोलूँगी मुझे तो खाना बनाना आता ही नहीं है, किचन जाऊँगी और मैं 4 मसाले निकाल के ट्राई करूँगी तो कुछ ना कुछ तो बन जाएगा ना।
Right.
By the 10th day I'm cooking some, तो ऐसा कोई काम नहीं है। Everyone came to this world with the same amount of God gifted us almost similar, right? 2 आँखें, 1 नाक, 2 हाथ। आप जिस चीज़ पे आप मेहनत करोगे वो चीज़ हो जाएगी।
Very true. So because आपके कुछ beliefs आपके personality में झलकते हैं. Even your tattoo says that being strong is the only option.
Yeah, it is ना। I feel, और क्या है? आप वीक होके कैसे कोई आप you want to be somewhere and say मुझे हो नहीं रहा यार, कैसे करूँगी यार? कैसे? तो आपकी एनर्जी ही ऐसी है, तो कैसे होगा?
So your self-motivation.
No, I think it is just so whenever I walk into a room or my set, I say, "Are we ready?"
Yeah.
That is the way. The moment my energy comes on set, nobody has a choice to be weak. सबको उसमें मैच करना पड़ता है ना।
Yes.
So you bring, so you have to work on it. So जिस चीज़ से प्यार करते हो उसको शूट करते हैं ना, 12 घंटे का शूट होता है। तो घंटा आप जो शुरू करते हैं और 12वें घंटे में भी मैं सेम रहती हूँ। तो दैट इज़ द काइंड ऑफ ट्रेनिंग यू हैव टू गिव योरसेल्फ। दैट्स योर लास्ट टेक आल्सो हैज़ टू बी गुड, बिकॉज़ वो सीन कब आ जाए, वो लो नहीं लगना चाहिए ना, इट हैज़ टू मैच योर फिल्म। या दैट्स हाउ इट इज़।
Wow. So can you please talk something about your first rejection?
Oh, so many. And so many, and I don't remember the count. People have when I first went for modeling, people said I don't look, I don't have a proper face. Because I didn't know how to style myself, the way I dressed up. There were comments on everything. It's very easy to people to degrade you, because आपकी कमियां ढूंढना ना लोगों को बड़ा मजा आता है, और उनको कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, वो ये नहीं जानते कि उससे कितना फर्क पड़ेगा। But only thing, like my family was always like, I never believed people's version of me.
Wow.
So मुझे कोई कुछ भी बोल दे, मुझे लगता था मैं सुपरस्टार हूँ। मेरे डैड ने मुझे बोला तुम सुपरस्टार हो, तो मैं हई। तो मुझे किसी की ओपिनियन से कभी लाइफ में फ़र्क ही नहीं पड़ा। ना मैं लो हुई हूँ। आई विल फील एंग्ज़, सो आई हैव ट्रेन्ड माय सेल्फ कि अगर मेरा मूड ऑफ भी हो जाए, तो 1 घंटे में ठीक कर लेती हूँ मैं।
Wow.
इतना मैं किसी को प्रिविलेज देती हूँ कि मेरे मूड पे कंट्रोल रखे हो। तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं, किसी का कंट्रोल मेरे को कोई रिजेक्ट करेगा, किसी को इतनी मैंने इजाज़त ही नहीं दी लाइफ में। आई डू नॉट गिव परमिशन फॉर समवन टू डिसाइड माय फेट।
Wow. So one memory or habit of your childhood that you really thank your successful career for?
I'm very curious as a person, as a child also, कि ये क्यों होता है? इवन जो कहानियाँ बताते हैं ना, ये क्यों होता है? ऐसे क्यों शादी करनी पड़ती है इस एज में लड़की को, और क्यों लड़का क्यों नहीं खाना बना सकता? ऑल दीज़ क्वेश्चंस, ये व्हाइज़ जो है ना लाइफ के बहुत ज़रूरी होते हैं, बिकॉज़ व्हेन यू इवन मेकिंग अ फिल्म, यू आस्किंग लॉट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस एज़ अ डायरेक्टर, एज़ अ मेकर, कि व्हाई एम आई मेकिंग दिस? सो जब सवाल होते हैं वो क्यूरियोसिटी, कि व्हाई इज़ दैट, हम जब सुबह उठते हैं, अच्छा सीरियल्स में देखते हैं मेकअप होता है ना, ऐसा रियल लाइफ में होता है? नहीं होता। जब मैं फिल्म बनाऊँगी ना, तो मेकअप जैसे लोग उठते हैं वैसे होना चाहिए ना?
True.
एंड दे लुक मोर रियल, सो देयर इज़ अ लर्निंग इन एवरीथिंग। सो बीइंग क्यूरियस इज़ लाइक, ओके दिस, ये करने से ये होता है। साउंड क्या होता है फ़िल्म्स में? अच्छा, साउंड में अगर हम पोस्ट में एक पानी का ड्रॉप गिर रहा है, अगर हम सिर्फ़ विजुअल देखेंगे तो उसकी वैल्यू नहीं होती है, फ़ील नहीं होता है। जैसे आप टपैक साउंड इफ़ेक्ट डालेंगे तो आपको वो फ़ील होगा।
Right.
तो ये सब क्यूरियस, आई लर्न एवरी पार्ट ऑफ फ़िल्म मेकिंग, आई अंडरस्टैंड इट, बिकॉज़ एवरीथिंग इज़ वन एलिमेंट राइट टू मेक इट द राइट प्रोडक्ट। तो अगर आपको समझ सब चीज़ की है और कुछ चीज़ों की नहीं है, तो वो फ़िल्म में दिख जाता है।
Yeah.
So you have to know about everything. So I'm curious about everything, not just films.
Wow.
So the whys are very interesting in my life always. Why?
Tell me why.
Yeah, I'll always ask, because I don't feel ashamed. I can learn from a young kid also. Now, for example, the young kids, my niece and nephews, they know more. They're more active on internet, social media. So यार आपको ये भी नहीं आता है? हाँ, नहीं आता, बता ना कैसे करना है. So I ask them. So,
That's quite
yeah, like learning.
nice. So you have mentioned your father as your main man in your talks. We would love to know about your bond and life lessons you learned with him or from him.
So my father is very special in many, many ways. The first thing is that my first film is called Appa.
Yeah.
And it was based on my life, my relationship with my father. So I've gone through a difficult divorce at a very young age. And it was my father who had a lot of trust in my ability. There were days when I was just blank. I would say, yaar, kuch nahi kar sakti life. I've become old. At 25, 26, I think, yeah, life एवरीबडी इज हैविंग परफेक्ट, और ये क्यों हो गया? तो उन्होंने क्या बोला हमेशा मुझे कि आई बिलीव इन यू, तेरे में है वो बात, तू स्टार है। Forget about लोग क्या बोलते हैं ना, like, you know, his belief and his trust on me was much bigger than mine till date. So even today, if I tell I've come to IMA, he's very proud. So when I see him proud, now I'm the little girl still, that 5-year-old, Papa is proud, I'm also proud. So, you know, I have the relationship with my father even now. He's 80, I'm 42. But I still feel excited about telling him, Daddy, I won this award. Daddy, this happened. And it's not about awards also. Sometimes it's that, तूने अच्छा film बनाया.
Wow.
We tried ना, कोशिश करती है तो, अरे बहुत लोग नहीं कर पाते. So his belief, and he's my biggest cheerleader.
He's a to-go person.
He's my biggest cheerleader. I make shit film also, he'll say wow. And I'm happy. He's my only audience I care about, maximum.
Yes.
So क्योंकि पापा खुश हैं, और हर बार पापा के लिए when I make films, I make sure that I make all the parents happy, you know. Because end of the day, films should have truth. My father is a very honest man, and is a very principled man, very simple, very quiet. उनकी जो conduct है life में, way of life, is taught me always कि shortcut मत लेना life में. Slow and steady, doesn't matter. जीतोगे नहीं तो भी खुश, नींद बड़ी सुकून से आती है. So I follow that mantra.
Very nice. So, what apart from being a wonderful director, producer, content creator, you love doing, which you would not want to miss no matter what?
And I'm a dog mom, and I love my dog. I'm like, my dog is like my child, and whenever I'm free, I love traveling, but I've cut down on a lot of it because I travel so much for work. I try and spend a simple, normal day with my dog.
Wow.
I just like the basics of life. I like getting up. I wake up in the morning every day, 6 o'clock. That's my routine. I'm very disciplined. And I make sure I talk to my dog. I sit with the dog. I spend a lot of time. And I go to random places and I write. I like traveling in autos and just observing the city.
Wow.
मुझे रैंडम चीजें और मुझे सिंपलिसिटी लाइफ की बहुत पसंद है.
Wow. So, what's the name of your dog?
सुल्तान. He's like,
Oh, wow. I love this. I feel so connected. I have 4 baby fur babies. They're how it is. They're amazing.
and I think my dog is very different because he sees a lot of people coming in the house, writers, DOP, ADs. तो हर कहानी सुनता है वो सबसे पहले.
Oh, wow.
And he looks at everyone कि हाँ approval भी आता है उसका. He knows. So he knows about every story before I think anyone else knows.
Wow. And I feel that connect with your pet and how they react, only the two of you can understand if I'm
As I understand, and then I did a film on a pet also. So I shot a film called What's Up Buddy. Is Rajpal Yadav ji in the film, and there's a little puppy we got called Buddy. We named the Pepper. It's not out till now. It's not released. And I kept the puppy in my house to train the puppy for 2 weeks.
Wow.
And then he picked up a lot from Sultan, but Sultan hated him because he was very unhappy sharing space. But when he shot the film, Rajpal Yadav, who's never had a dog in his life, he fell in love with the dog. His daughter fell in love with the dog. They adopted the dog, and now the dog is a celebrity dog. He's Buddy Yadav.
Oh, wow. Amazing. So, my next question was, are you a dog lover? But I think
You already are. I'm biggest dog lover. I talk about the dog cause, all these things which happen in Delhi even now. So I raise my voice. I'm very vocal about all the feelings that I have for animals.
Oh, nice. So, I think because we are short of time, I would love to ask few questions which I really don't want to miss. Is being a woman barrier to this profession? And have you faced any
I don't think so. I think it's all your principles. Like I think I mentioned on the stage also that, you know, that gender is never a barrier in life.
Oh, nice.
If I'm going to think I'm a girl ना, so ये हो सकता है, तो वो मेरी thought है. जब मैं सोचती नहीं हूँ, मुझे लगता है मैं एक director हूँ. That's it. I don't even think I'm a girl and I'm a director. I'm a director. What a director does, I do. हर डायरेक्टर फिल्म बनाता है उसी तरीके से, चाहे लड़का लड़की में फर्क नहीं होता. We shoot the same way. So how is it different?
True.
When you work in office, how is it different? Okay, the physicality is different, but I think the approach, ability of a woman, that we can multitask. So I think we're more blessed than men. You know, in general, I think we can do 5 things at one point of time. Think about ये भी चल रहा है, वो भी चल रहा है, घर भी चल रहा है. वो भगवान ने दी है वो शक्ति. और I don't play the woman card ever, and I don't think you should, because men are very kind. Yeah, there are so many nice men in the world who have helped me do what I'm doing. So I'm thankful. There's a mix of all kinds everywhere. So I'm more on the gratitude side in life.
Wow. So, are you fond of reading? And it has does it really help you, like in your thought process, and when you think of the storylines or so?
I do read, but not not like the typical reader. I'm more of an observer.
Oh,
So let's say if I've come somewhere, you will not even know how much I observed and how many people I observed. There's every person has a way of living, behaving, talking, smiling, dressing up, and everybody's a character. Recently I shot a film, The Pact, right? So the broker out there, he had a personality. And it was so interesting कि मैंने बोला कोई फिल्म में आएगा ना, इसको जरूर लिखेंगे. So you observe people, you find out characters from the life, no? और क्या होता है?
right. So आपके कुछ लाइन्स हैं जो मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगती हैं, and I would want you to talk about it. In silence between heartbeats, we find our truth.
Yes, I think sometimes you have to just pause and observe. जब बहुत कुछ चल रहा होता है ना, थोड़े टाइम के लिए कहीं बैठ जाइए शांत होके और give yourself 5 minutes. You'll find the answers.
Wow.
So you just have to be quiet. Um, सवाल भी मारे हैं, शोर भी मारा है, लेकिन शांति से आपको ना साइलेंस में हर चीज़ का जवाब मिल जाएगा क्योंकि आपका गट सबसे करेक्ट होता है लाइफ में।
Right.
Your instinct is most powerful.
Yes.
So I believe in that.
Wow. And one more thing, eyes on the vision, no time for permission.
Yeah, because I'm not waiting for my turn यार, मुझे जो चाहिए भाग के लूँगी लाइफ में, क्यों पूछूँ?
Wow.
ये किसकी दुनिया है? किसी के बाप की इंडस्ट्री नहीं है, हम सर की इंडस्ट्री है।
Yeah.
मैं क्यों पूछूँ कि मैं तो करूँगी जो करना है।
Wow.
हारूँगी, दोबारा तो लड़ूँगी। बस।
Very nice. So we play the rapid fire now.
Yeah, sure.
So, oh yes, one thing I miss asking, like importance, power, and is of social media.
See, I think people like us have a voice, okay? And people do listen to us. Like, whatever I say, suppose I write something about women empowerment. I've seen it making a difference. I've seen people in my inbox, so many messages come. Like, you feel so inspired, ma'am. Because whoever's seen my journey, they know I have come from nowhere.
Yeah.
So they see a dream because end of the day, they're trying to, we all get inspired by somebody, right? So they see inspiration and feel good about it. So I try to be as real as I am. I don't know either way. That's how I live. And I think it works for me. Yeah. Like I don't know any other way. So बस
Very nice.
उससे जिसको inspire हो रहा है अच्छी बात है और I think there are a lot of dreamers out there and I think the women are very, very capable now. Today's world, it's becoming better for them.
And you definitely inspire me in your plan. So, आपका first thought क्या था जब आपने first award जीता and then the journey has been on?
सो मुझे ना बड़ा शौक था इन चीज़ों का कि मैं अवार्ड जीतूँ ये करके। जब मिला तो इतने मिल गए एक लाइन से, कोई थॉट ही नहीं था बिकॉज़ मैंने 80 अवार्ड जीत लिए बैक टू बैक लाइक फॉर अ फिल्म। वाह! आई वाज़ लाइक ओके नाइस। जब तक अवार्ड मिला तब तक लाइफ में ये सीख लिया कि अच्छी फ़िल्म बनाना ज़रूरी है। अवार्ड-रिवॉर्ड आते जाते रहेंगे। जब कोई आके बोलता है ना आपकी फ़िल्म देखी अच्छी लगी, वो सबसे बड़ा satisfying होता है as a director. Yeah. And it has happened. A lot of random people, "Are you Lakshmi? Have you seen your film? It's so nice." And you see it after through comments on the YouTube or anywhere. You see, अरे किसी ने एक पैराग्राफ लिखा है आपकी फिल्म के लिए, कितना कोई वक्त दे रहा है आपको, तो I feel very happy with those things. Those are my actual awards. Yeah, my audience.
Wow. So, how do you define success from your point of view of life?
Success is just being yourself and doing what you feel like. Just follow your heart.
Wow.
Success is just going on. Nothing happens overnight and you will fail. सब कुछ perfect होगा तो life ऐसी होती भी नहीं है और मज़ा भी नहीं आएगा। तो the more you fall, the better you rise.
Yes.
So it is like that. So I think it's just a journey. सब मिल जाएगा तो मज़ा खत्म है लाइफ का। तो वो थोड़े धक्के बहुत ज़रूरी है।
Amazing. So, let's start with the rapid fire now. Your biggest career challenge?
I think just ensuring my family understands I really love this. This is not just for being famous.
Yeah. What's the last film that truly moved you?
The last film that really I don't watch films as per the release date. Some films which are really, really moving. One of the films is that The Great Indian Kitchen.
Okay, yeah.
I think it was a really nice film and it was very raw. Yeah. I think it spoke about the Indian household the way it is and it was shown the way it is.
Yeah.
And it was very strong as a film. So I really liked it.
Wow. What's the best way to promote a low budgeted film?
I don't know promotion. I think अच्छी फिल्मों को audience मिल जाती है. अच्छी फिल्म बनाओ. Promotion, whatever you have, whether you want to give so Instagram के बहुत followers हैं. Good films find voice. धीरे शोर मच के, for example, 12th Fail. When it came, no one knew. Today that film has won a national award.
Yeah.
So no one knows the journey. इतना पता होता सब कोई क्या क्या बनाते फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में.
True.
Make a good film. हो सकता है 2 साल बाद कोई बोले क्या फिल्म बनाई. Like Sadhma.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's loved now even more. So you don't never see. You can don't see what the outcome is going to be.
True.
Make a good film. Good films will definitely find a voice. आज नहीं तो कल बोलेंगे यार फिल्म थोड़ी अच्छी थी.
Wow. So, documentary or fictional storytelling?
I just love films. I've done documentary, but I think cinema is cinema. I want to tell a lot of fun commercial stories. जो होता है जो हमारी life में. I like emotional stories. I like family connection stories. So a slice of life is my genre.
Wow. And you like film festivals or streaming platforms? What would you?
Everything. Yeah, I just love films. तुम कुछ भी कहीं भी डाल दो. बस audience होनी चाहिए. I love my audience and I love making films.
Wow. So are you a morning? Yeah, you are a morning.
Yeah, super morning person.
You are a coffee person and skipping.
Yeah.
So one interesting thing, because I've been reading about you. So which of the three Khans would you love to cast? Shah Rukh, Amir, or Salman?
Shah Rukh. I think I love his energy, and I think I also have a lot of energy. Not like him,
Love him.
but I think he's got something, a magic that I think only he has.
Yeah.
I mean, I loved him in Chak De. Not the. I mean, of course, he's great as a conventional, he's a romantic hero, but I think Chak De, he was brilliant.
Yeah.
So at this, he was brilliant. So something on those lines where he's so easy, na.
He's so natural.
Yeah, he's lovely, and I think he's a fantastic human being also.
Yeah, he is. I love him. So you prefer workout over reading, or vice versa?
I love working out. So although I don't look like that I work out, but I love weightlifting. I lift like 100 kgs of deadlifts. But when I get time, I try to manage. But not because I want to look a certain way, but I think your bones should be stronger. I want to live a healthy life. I want to do everything active till I'm alive. So I just want to have an active life.
It's a way of life.
Yeah, just a way of life. How you eat, how you breathe. I think you should find time for all of this.
So Tom and Jerry or Krish?
Shaktiman.
I was not expecting that.
I'm just kidding. I think Krish. I mean, it was nice now. They were good in their own way.
So North Indian food or South Indian food?
I'm not a food fussy person. I'm South Indian, so I eat South Indian all the time.
Yeah.
So I love Delhi food. Like I like the dal makhani and the paneer tikkas. I like chole kulche. So I'm a full on foodie that way. So we are very much of that.
Wow. And I believe, I'm not asking the next question because as your father has inculcated in you, I'm sure you must be believing in hard work rather than the shortcuts, right?
Never. So I think I don't even want to do it. Even if someone says, अब कुछ नहीं करना आपका. I recently I met somebody long back, a very famous actor who said, आप दुबई आइए, आपको हम बेस्ट प्रोड्यूसर का अवार्ड देंगे. तो मैंने बोला क्यों देंगे आप? मैंने कहा अचीव ही नहीं किया तो मुझे क्यों रिवॉर्ड करेंगे, अवार्ड देंगे, मुझे नहीं चाहिए. So I don't want what I have not achieved. I'll not take it. I will never pay for a view or an award ever in my life. I'm very clear about it.
Wow.
So I'm very happy to be where I am. 4 ऑडियंस है, 2 ऑडियंस है, 1 है, चलेगा, पर सच्चा होना चाहिए.
Wow. So anything else that's in your bucket list which you still...
और मैं रोज कुछ ना कुछ ड्रीम करती हूँ. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. मैं बहुत ऐसा there's no list I have. My list changes every day. I add on and I do what I like. I'm a very person who जो सोचती हूँ ना कुछ भी करना है लाइफ में. So there's no list. It keeps on changing and I keep doing it.
Amazing.
Yeah, there's no limitless is what the right word is.
I believe it's so much to learn from you and I feel so happy. It doesn't feel like, that it feels endless. Like, the conversation should just go on. So I just love her one-liners and really appreciate her writing skills. Her topics are bold and real just like her. She calls herself a rebel because she is not the stereotypical South Indian girl. She lives unapologetically out of the box. Her films are worth a watch, full of meaning and lessons. Her body of work is long and commendable, multi-talented storyteller, a beautiful example of women empowerment, a role model to today's generation and young aspirants. Even we want you to remain Lakshmi and not become Lakshman in any life.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much. Lovely chatting.
Thank you.